Vegas. I'm here at the Riviera Convention Center and I'm going to go in right now. And I didn't register for anything because I ran out of time, but yeah, I think that now I'm gonna head in there and just enjoy my time up there. Me, myself, and Pie's there, Jehovah Rubik's is there, Red KB is there, I think. It's a shame Crazy Back Cuber isn't there because I really like him too, but yeah, my arms hurt so badly right now, but oh, there it is. Wish me luck, this is gonna be so exciting. Alright, see you inside. Alright, I'm in the convention center right now, I'm trying to find my way around. I'm trying to find one of the guys that I told you about. Jehovah Rubik's, myself, and Pie, someone like that. Right now I'm thinking that if I were one of them, I'd be surrounded by a whole bunch of people, but I can't find them anywhere. So there's a whole bunch of flags.
Figure out how the apps are working, and so
I saw Josh's mom. She's up in that direction, but I haven't seen Josh or anyone. But I'll figure it out. Don't worry. I found Josh. I found Jehovah Rubik's. He's right there in the gray shirt. I need to talk to him later because I preserved 4 puzzles. Hey, it's gone. But, yeah, time to find the others.
Don't bug me or I'll throw... Don't bug me or I'll throw another 2x2 case at you.
Please, don't do that again. Even if it was made out of duct tape, I think.
It still hurt?
No, but...
Okay, whatever.
Big watch from him.
Yeah, break it in, break that in. That would be good. The mod is beautiful.
Yeah, it's just the guy with the... This is a sub 2 average.
I'm going up and talking to him. You're Jehovah Rubik's, aren't you?
I am. I'm Josh.
I'm Christian.
Christian.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
California.
California.
I'm the one in the Q&A who asked if you were going to take any competitions to Southern California.
Okay, yeah, I might sometime.
Yeah. I'm also the one who requested you reserve 4 puzzles.
Oh yeah, the Amazing Race kid.
Yes.
That's how I remember you.
Okay. Is that who I think it is? Me, myself, and Pie.
Hello there! What's your name?
Christian.
Christian.
Nice
Hey.
to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
So what have you been competing in?
Nothing. I ran out of time to compete.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Me too. Say hi, Neil.
Who's Neil?
You know damn well who's Neil.
Who's Neil? I'm serious.
Let's check your card. You may have gotten top 100 in the world for one-handed, but you're still like stupid.
Oh.
I don't care if that was a terrible insult. You're still an awful person.
Nope. Don't be jealous.
I'm not jealous. I'm hateful.
Jealous of my top 100.
I'm not jealous. I'm hateful. There's a difference.
Nope.
Yes. Billy's actually playing with my 3x3x4.
Yeah, because I don't know what happened to mine. I had it several years ago, but I just don't remember what happened to it.
Your house is like an abyss where no puzzles will ever be seen anymore.
Right.
Because you keep losing them.
You know, if you go to his house, you'd probably find
Maybe I get all the edges matched up, but then the center. What was that?
If you went to your house, you'd probably find like tons and tons and tons.
Because I remember one video vlog you did where you showed that every single puzzle was in a completely different place.
That's right.
Like the V7 was in the kitchen, and your 3x3s and your V5 were in the living room, and your UFO was by your computer or something like that.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to my UFO either. It's like a lot of those puzzles just disappeared.
Back to space.
Like the little orange plastic
Dang
plate they
chains?
gave you?
For modding, yeah.
Easy, since the plastic is really thin.
Because I got a blue one and it's all worn down now, and I was like, man, I gotta buy a new one. And then nope. Hey, can I see whose are these?
Mine.
Can I see the?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Wait, is this also yours?
Oh my gosh, please.
Yes, that's mine.
This is cool.
Have you assembled this thing?
This is fun.
I've taken a couple
I want
pieces
one
out. It's
now.
hard.
What do you solve?
Oh, I hate this permutation.
Alright, let's see if I can do
Piece
this.
of help.
There we go.
Cute.
At least that one. There's like one PLL that I cannot figure out how to do successfully anymore.
What is it?
The EPERM, yeah.
Everyone knows.
But everyone, I don't know the name. It's like every time I do it, I always like mix up these three corners, and I feel like I'm not forgetting anything. So it's frustrating, and every time someone tries to show me, they always do it differently.
Pie gone wild.
What?
Pie gone wild.
Yeah, whatever.
Which one do you do?
What do you mean? Which one?
What EPERM do you try to use?
Yeah, let's see. So,
And I want to tell people to try it.
I would love to try it.
Wait, repeat that.
This is. Okay, and then you go back to him. Because my cane, where'd my cane?
Oh yeah, I will. I put all my videos on like
What are you playing with?
all like that.
It's a 4x4. It's a mini 4x4.
Have you never found out that there was a mini 4x4 ever?
Those gears are getting rented for this return.
I felt one that felt better.
You like it?
It's small.
And your voice goes back to normal once you put it on the table.
It is very small.
It's a mini 4x4. No, put it back.
That's the guy that made
Here,
the
you don't want me to show your face, right?
I can do sticker cubes.
Oh, okay. Here, do that thing. Like how good at corner cuts or something.
What? Yeah, I know.
That's how good that thing corner cuts.
Yeah, look at that. I mean, look at that. It's just like corner cuts. It's like no problem. No problem.
Crazy that Cuba doesn't need that
Normal 7x7 cuts. And,
Oh yeah.
Guys, is this the best of one or
All right,
two?
so they're doing 2x2 through 4x4 relay. Look what Josh is gonna do. He's got a mini 2x2, a mini 4, my mini 4x4, and the crazy
The only person that has a chance to get over 2 minutes. If he
He's
uses
gonna use my mini 4x4. I feel so honored.
138. Oh, you doing this?
No.
Is that a 419?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Can I try it? This is my algo fang I got. Rubik's. You like it?
Hey, we need more judges. Come on, guys.
What are we judging? I'll judge, yes. You guys like related?
No.
Here, can I have my key back actually? I'm gonna go judge.
I'm gonna go judge, boy.
Wait. What is something?
No.
Okay, this is getting awesome. He's on 4x4. I think that's a wit you need a mini. That's the only mini 4x4. A keychain, a mini one, and a big foot. That's like the best combination. Like, this is so creative. This is the most creative thing. Like, he's not going for speed, he's going for style. Awesome. Oh, nice. Oh, let's do this.
Yeah, he's doing a relay. Yes, do the 3.
Go, Josh.
Did you do one yet? Yeah, I already did one.
Go, Josh, go! Go, Josh, go!
Ooh, Bigfoot now.
Come on, Josh. I'm not sure. But obviously with the ones that he's using, he's not going to break any records. I think the cutoff time is 3 minutes, right? Okay, so I think he's good.
Tell what algorithm. I'm like, screw this. I know like full PLR.
He looks normal with the big one.
One-handed to finish it off.
Oh, one-handed. He's doing it with style. With style, Joe. With style.
You made it.
Hey, recording here.
You did it.
Made cutoff.
All right, mine's filming right now.
I can report for it to some grade. Okay? That's what
All right, Felix, it's about time that we meet.
Yeah.
Hey there. How's it going? It's going good. So you've been doing pretty well today. You were getting quite the audience when you were solving the heavily...
Am I?
Not as big as
Oh my god.
Oh, yes, yes.
I think he won today.
So what was the fastest times that you got on your puzzles? Do you remember?
7x7 like 301.
301.
6x6 154. 505 54.
I know, that is okay.
Kevin did faster on all three.
Have you done 3x3 yet?
Nah, 3x3 tomorrow.
Okay, okay. All right, then. Yes, well, I'll look forward to that. Yeah, well, it was awesome meeting you, Felix.
You too?
Yes, I've been
Off to
looking
bed
forward
now?
to you. Yes, off to bed. Oh.
Sorry guys, excuse me.